What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Typical Teenager here with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a collection of stuffed animals I have in my room. And before we start this video, I just want to make sure you are subscribing to my channel and post on notifications. And if you've done that, let me know in the comment section below. And Summer's birthday is today. It's not mine. It's my sister's birthday. So, yes, I get a present. And now I'm gonna show you what is behind me. So, let's get started. I got some stuffy animals right here. So we got a moose. We have a moose here. We have some bears, owl, a panda bear, and a dog, and a little guy. I don't remember his name. Yeah, so that's my collection of stuffies in my room. If you want more videos, you guys, you need to subscribe and turn on notifications to know when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry I did not do a Singing Friday today. I'm sorry about that. But maybe next Friday. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. And tomorrow is daily vlog, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching. I upload on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for watching. Peace.